Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. James here. Oh my goodness gracious. I've been away for about 5 days. Looked in on the birds last night. They look good. And now it's time to get them out. So they haven't been out for several days. I was contemplating taking them on their first toss this morning. But I think what I'm gonna do is let them have one loft fly, and then we'll do some single tosses tomorrow. Usually when I start my birds, I start them at about 5 or 6 miles as their first toss. But I might switch up and do some single tossing. I usually don't do single tossing. And single tossing is really great because it weeds out the followers right off the bat. Let's look in on these guys. Hey birds. How are you guys doing? You guys want a loft fly or a toss? Oh my goodness. Let's go looking on this other side. So I appreciate everyone who commented about the black gold race. We're gonna do a drawing for those 3 names. It's gonna be fun. See what you guys come up with. Well, we'll see what the 3 winners of the contest come up with, right? Let's let these guys stretch their wings. It's a nice little blue bar. What are you? Who knows? Because I've been away, I'm just gonna grab 1 or 2 of these young birds real quick to see how they're doing. So this is the first one I grabbed. This is number 9. I can tell this one's off of the Cuevas hen and 836. She feels great. It's nice. Soft muscles. Look at this though, even though she's off my first round, check out that wing. What do you notice? Look at that. She's only dropped 1 flight. Looks like she's about to drop the 2nd flight. But man, first round bird right there. I have other first round birds. They're like on their 5th flight or 6th flight right now. Interesting. Not sure why that'd be. Look at that little beauty. This is what people describe as an apple-bodied hen. I mean, she's just got that nice little apple shape. It just feels good in your hand. All right, let's grab 1 or 2 more. Just a quick little health check before we let them out. Here's a cock off of Flyboy and Marie Curie. I almost sent this guy to a 1 loft race, but we held him back. He's feeling really good too. So let's see what flights is he on? Kind of hard to say. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Look at that wing. That's actually kind of hard to say which flight he's on. Feels good. Looks good. It's like a few days of rest has done these guys some good. They're just feeling nice. This one is like a 3rd round Cup of Joe Greek Iris, and look, it's actually already grown out that 2nd flight. You can see it poking through right there where my thumb is. Interesting why that other bird has dropped so few flights. All right, this one feels great too. That's good news. We'll let him out. All right, this one is number 8. So this is another first rounder off of Marie Curie, and Lone Star. Dang, he feels good. His vents, there's no spacing between his vents and the back of his keel, and his vents are right next to each other. And he's just packed with muscle. He just feels great. Let's see where he's at with his flights. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So he's dropped 5. 4 of them have grown back in. Those ones right there. When I saw this guy and weaned him, I noticed that kind of white, almost grizzle pattern in his wings. I was wondering if that was going to molt out. But it's been retained in adult feathers. That's kind of cool. All right. Maybe we'll call this guy Lone Star 8. Something that has to do with Lone Star. Gotta preserve that namesake. All right, he feels good. I'm sure they're not like all pink and, yeah. They haven't been flying, so they're a little bit scaly. All right, here we go. Fly, birds. Let's fly. Let's go. Let's go. Got a little raven friend right there. And no young birds. Good. Get out of here, young birds. I don't want to see you for a long time. Beautiful morning, but it's not going to be beautiful for long. It's only been 10 minutes. They did not disappear for long. Come on, guys. Go explore. Who's that one right there? I wonder which one that one is. That's an old bird that I just let out. Well, it's an old bird that has been flying with the young birds that didn't go out with these guys this morning until after they'd already left. But yeah, these guys are already coming in. All right, time to whip these guys into shape. If I had my baskets, I'd call them in right now, basket them up, and take them on a toss. Heck, I might even still do that and just take 2 trips. All right, guys, look at this. So this is Kevin, named after Kevin Norton. Yearling. Molting quite a bit. Look what I just noticed. So this is a 2021 bird. And so he's already gone through his body molt, you know, last year. But look, now he's molting again. What's interesting is his feathers are coming in more like a pencil, a blue pencil, instead of just a straight up blue bar. You can kind of see that in his wing. See that in his kind of his wing feathers right there on the side. See that? Got the darker feathers right there. It's really interesting. Did not know that they would change after their first original molt, from their juvenile plumage to their adult plumage. But this one is changing. I mean, you can see it. See it on that side pretty clear. Watson, stop breathing so hard. Look at that. Interesting. Cool. Look at this. What did I say about being done breeding? Falco times Cantadora hen. And they're not the only ones. I think there's a couple more. Okay, and now the moment you all have been waiting for. Well, the moment that at least some of you have been waiting for. Thank you, first of all, for those who participated. This is fun. So I have made a little Word document that includes everyone who commented with Black Gold Race. And you can verify that right here. So I just basically went through and numbered it. We got Eddie Rivera at the top, John Schoenberg, Basin on Elkhart. Okay, so I just went down and did it. Jeff Captain, it's on here somewhere. Yep, there he is right there, number 8. So anyways, I went down, and again, as I was watching the comments come up, I put a little green check mark if you guys did comment Black Gold Race. I think I missed one where I didn't actually put a check mark on, but I did get it in right here, so you don't need to worry about that. We got them all. So here we are. 44. First one to comment was Aziz. Thank you, Aziz. Super cool. All right, so this is how it's going to work. I'm going to randomly draw 3 numbers out of 44. And those 3 individuals will get to name those 3 birds. So I've got a random number generator here. Minimum 1, maximum 44. Here we go. Let's see what happens. 7. Oh my goodness gracious. Who is 7? Michael Peevler. Congratulations, Michael. Michael actually helped name one of our other birds, I believe. Was that Starlight? It may have been Starlight. All right, let's do this again. Oh, 31. Who is 31? Black Star Loft. Good job, Black Star Loft. Congratulations. Finally, the last one. 15. Oh my goodness, who's 15? Premier League. Okay, there they are. Michael Peevler, Premier League, and Black Star Loft. You guys get to name the 3 birds. All right, so let's just go like this. Let's pull up the Black Gold Race. Black Gold Race. Bing bong, there it is. We'll go inventory, breeders. That's the easiest way to do it. Scroll down really quick like to Robertson Pinot. Hey, why didn't you work? There we go. Okay, so let's just do this. We're gonna have Michael Peevler. You get to name 16. This is a Blue Bar Hen out of Cup of Joe and Greek Iris. Premier League. You get to name 24. This is a dark Czech hen out of Flyboy and Marie Curie. And then finally, Black Star Loft. You get to name 30, which is a Blue Bar. I don't know if it's a cock or hen. That one is Purple Greek and Miss Magnificent. Now, this is what we're going to do. Just in case one of these 3 individuals does not get back to me, let's go ahead and generate one more as backup. This will be kind of our backup. Number 4. Who's that? Number 4. Messy Loft. Okay, we're going to... Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Microsoft Word. Come on. Backup. We're going to put you in cyan here. All right, Messy Loft. If I don't hear from one of these 3 guys soon, then you get to step in for them. Wow, well, that was fun. Thank you, guys. Like I said before, we are going to have some more giveaways as we reach that 10K subscriber goal. Okay, so now take a look at this really quickly. If we look at some of the demographics on my YouTube channel, most of the viewers come from the United States, followed by the Philippines. Good job, Philippines. Way to represent. Closely matched by India and the United Kingdom. We've got 6% here at South Africa. Let's see who the others are. Well, we'll see who the others are in a sec. But one thing I want to point out is watch time from subscribers. Not subscribed, 85.7%, so almost 86% are not subscribed. Only 14% of my viewers are subscribed. So, guys, please, if you watch my videos and enjoy them, go ahead and subscribe. That would mean a lot. I appreciate it. I don't get a lot monetarily from doing this. It's just kind of for fun. And so to get a little extra support from the viewership means a lot. I appreciate it, guys. All right, that's all for today's video. But tomorrow we are doing single tosses. I already did some, and that video will be coming out in the next couple days, so watch for that. As always, hope this finds everyone doing well, and adios. Here's 28.